Here's how to correctly install gravel rings.
A plastic grid system for stabilising gravel surfaces for both pedestrians and vehicles. Excavate the soil to the required depth, allowing sufficient depth for your sub-base materials and the surface finish. The depth of each layer will vary depending on the chosen surface finish and the intended use. As a guide, a base layer of approximately 100 to 150 mm is usually fine for light vehicle use and domestic driveways. For pedestrian traffic, this can be reduced or increased for heavier vehicles.
Lay the DriveTex geotextile fabric out and ensure joints are overlapped by a minimum of 300 mm. Overlaps should be kept to a minimum wherever possible.
These Extra-Fix plastic fixing pegs are designed to quickly and conveniently pin down your membrane. At 160 mm long and with barbed edges and a large square head, these pegs maximise contact area, giving greater grip.
Lay a stone sub-base layer over the DriveTex fabric, such as Type 1, sometimes referred to as MOT or scalpings, to the required depth. For porous installations, a Type 3 aggregate must be used. Compact and level the stone using a compactor plate or roller.
Blind the surface with a layer of sharp sand or granite fines to level out any undulations in the sub-base before laying the panels.
Lay the Gravelrings panels over the base with the mesh side down and clip together.
Gravelrings panels are supplied pre-assembled in 1 square metre pieces made up of 4 tiles clipped together, making them very fast to lay. The easy clipping mechanism makes it very quick to securely connect adjacent panels and just as easy to unclip them if you need to move them.
Fix down using Gravelrings fixing pins. We recommend that fixing pins are used on slopes, edges, turning circles, crossovers and any areas more exposed to regular traffic. The number of pins required will depend on the application and site conditions, but as a guide, allow 1 pin per panel or 4 per square metre.
Gravelrings have ready-made holes in the base to receive the fixing pins, and panels are flexible, allowing them to follow contours and undulations. Perfect for installations that include slopes.
Gravelring panels can easily be cut using a hand or power tool. When abutting a curb or any other fixed edging or structure, leave a minimum gap of 50 mm to allow for expansion of the panels in warmer weather.
Spread the final gravel surface over the panels to a depth of approximately 10 to 15 mm higher than the top edge of the rings, so that they are concealed.
Rinse the gravel with water if required and lightly compact to aid settlement and consolidation. Although we've been working with Gravelrings in black today, it's also available from stock in white, which is perfect for light colour gravels. We have a slightly different panel for grass parking areas called grass rings. These panels are fully compatible with Gravelrings panels and can be connected together in mixed schemes where both are required. So there you go.
Another great product that works.